In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a transparent header to your WordPress website using the Astra theme and Elementor all in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started with creating a sleek and modern look for your site. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress account. This is an essential step because without accessing your WordPress dashboard, you'll be unable to make any changes to your website. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. There you'll find the Appearance option. This is where you can manage how your site looks and feels, so go ahead and click on it. Now that you've opened the Appearance section, the next thing you want to do is click on Themes. This is where all the themes you have installed are displayed. To proceed, we'll need a specific theme called Astra, which is well known for its customization flexibility and ease of use. In the search bar, type Astra, and you should see it appear as one of the options. Go ahead and click on the Astra theme to get additional details about it. If you're convinced and ready to use Astra for your site, the next step is to activate it. You'll find an Activate button as part of the theme's information. Clicking this will apply the theme to your site, allowing us to customize it further. With Astra now activated, it's time to head back to Appearance. Click on it once more, and this time you will select Customize. This will open the customization panel where we can make detailed adjustments to our theme. In the customization panel, find and click on Header. This is where you can alter the way your site's header looks. After clicking on Header, you'll see different options appear. Look for header types and select it. Under the header types section, you'll spot an option labeled Transparent Header. Click on this to access settings specifically for making your header transparent. You will see a toggle switch which currently should be off. You want to turn this on to enable the transparent header across your entire website. This feature is great for those looking to implement a clean and modern design, as it allows the background image or video of your site to seamlessly blend with the header area. Finally, you can use Elementor to add more personalized tweaks to your theme. Elementor offers a broad array of functions and tools, making it easier to achieve the precise look you're going for. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added a transparent header to your WordPress site using the Astra theme. Experiment with different customization options to further refine your website's aesthetic to match your vision. Thank you for watching and happy designing.